teacher in Appleum High School. Students, how are you all? I think you all are safe and happy at your home. Today I am going to explain textual exercises of I Can Swim lesson in semester 1 textbook. Let's revise what we have learned in our previous class. We have learned a lesson that is I Can Swim. This lesson are about the conversation between two animals, the swan and rabbit. Both are conversation about their capabilities. Let's see. See, this is swan. Swan is a bird. It is white in color. The name of swan in this lesson, in this lesson, the name of swan is Dolly. The name of swan is Dolly. It can swim in water and it can fly in the air. Next, rabbit. See, rabbit is also white in color and the name of rabbit in this lesson, the name of rabbit is Bunny. So, Bunny can run and hop. This is Dolly. Can the Dolly run? No. Can the Dolly hop? No. So Dolly can swim and fly. Dolly cannot run and hop. Next, rabbit. Can the rabbit fly? No. Can the rabbit swim? No. But rabbit can, bunny can run and hop. So everyone has the ability to do something. Now all of you open your semester 1 textbook, page number 6. You open page number 6? Okay. You have to fill these exercises, page number 6 and 7. R-E-A-D, read, A-N-D, and F-I-N-D, find. Read and find. P-U-T, put, A-T-I-C-K, tick. Put a tick. See, this is tick mark. Put a tick. O-R-R-A-C-R-O-S-S, cross. Or a cross. This is cross mark. Put a tick or a cross. A-G-A-I-N-S-T, against. E-A-C-H, each. S-T-A-T-E-M-E-N-T, statement. Each statement. Put a tick or cross against each statement. First, see. First question. D-O-L-L-Y, Dolly. I-S is A-S-W-A-N, swan. Dolly is a swan. Students, whose name is Dolly? Yes, swan name is Dolly. So here given statement is correct. Dolly is a swan. This statement is correct statement. So you have to put tick mark. Dolly is a swan. Next. Question number 2. B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. I-S is A-S-W-A-N, swan. Bunny is a swan. Children say, is bunny is a swan? No, bunny is a rabbit. So here the given statement is wrong. We have to put cross mark. This is wrong statement. Next, third one. D-O-L-L-Y, Dolly. I-S is A-R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Dolly is a rabbit. Is it right? No. Dolly is a swan. But here given Dolly is a rabbit. So this statement is wrong. We have to put cross mark. Next, question number 4. B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. I-S is A-R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Bunny is a rabbit. Children say, whose name is Bunny? Yes, the name of rabbit is Bunny. So here the given statement is correct. Bunny is a rabbit. So you have to put tick mark. Next, question number 5. B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. C-A-N, can. F-L-Y, fly. Bunny can fly. See, bunny is a rabbit. Can rabbit fly? No. So here the given statement is wrong. You have to put cross mark. Bunny can fly. It is wrong sentence. Put cross mark. Next, question number 6. bunny, bunny, can, run, run. Bunny can run. Bunny is a rabbit. Can run? Can the rabbit run? Yes. Bunny can run. So the given statement is correct. So you have to put tick mark. Next, question number 7. bunny, bunny, can, hop, hop. Bunny can hop. Bunny is rabbit. We have learnt rabbit can hop. So this is correct sentence. Correct statement. Put tick mark. Next, 8th question. bunny, bunny, can, swim, swim. Bunny can swim. Bunny is a rabbit. Can the rabbit swim? No. So here the given statement is wrong. Bunny can swim. It is the wrong statement. So you have to put cross mark. Next, question number 9. dolly, dolly, can, fly. Dolly can fly. Dolly means swan. Swan is a bird, so it can fly. So the given statement is correct. Dolly can fly. Put tick mark. Next, question number 10. dolly, can. Dolly can, run. Dolly can run. Dolly is a swan. Swan is a bird. Can the swan run? No. So here the given statement is wrong. You have to put cross mark. Next, question number 11. dolly, can, hop, hop. Dolly can hop. Dolly means swan. Swan can hop? No. So it is wrong statement. So you have to put cross mark. Next, question number 12. dolly, can, swim. Dolly can swim. Dolly is a swan. Here see, swan is swimming. So this is correct statement. Dolly can swim. So we have to put tick mark. Okay. Next, page number 7. WORD power, word power. First see Roman number 1. LOOK, look, AT, at, EACH, each, PICTURE. Look at each picture. REARRANGE, rearrange, TH, the LETTERS letters, TO2. Look at each picture, rearrange the letters to WRITE, right, TH, the CORRET, correct, NAME, name. Look at each picture and rearrange the letters to write the correct name. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 pictures given. Cat, dog, owl, fish. Here the spelling is in jumbling. We have to rearrange these letters. Rearrange the letters to write the correct name. Here what is first given letter? A, C, T. What is the picture? Cat. We know the spelling of cat. So you have to rearrange these letters. C, say spelling of cat. Is C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Next, look at this picture. What is this picture? Yes, dog. Here, letter C, O-D-G. You have to rearrange these letters to make correct word. So, say spelling of dog. Yes, D-O-G, dog. Next, third one. What is this picture? S, owl. Here let us see L-O-W. You have to rearrange these letters to make a correct word. O-W-L, owl. Next, question number 4. Look at this picture. What picture is this? S. This is fish. Here letter C, I, F, H, S. We have to rearrange these letters to make correct word. Say spelling of fish. F, I, S, H. F-I-S-H, fish. Okay. Students, all of you write neat handwriting. Okay. Students, we will meet in next class with some more textual exercises. Okay, complete today's homework. It is in diary button. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.